मेरे ओपिनियन में जिम्स में मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं अलाउ होना चाहिए। औरतों और मर्दों का टाइम अलग होना चाहिए और शीशे नहीं होंगे। ये जिमिंग कल्चर इज नॉट इट्स काइंड ऑफ करप्टेड दिस एंटायर स्ट्रेंथ कल्चर ऑफ sorts.
Should one not engage in bodybuilding then if it's not?
Bodybuilding is a beauty pageant. It is not a sport.
So how does one train for strength and not aesthetics? Let's just say aesthetics is a
So
byproduct.
basically, it's a repetition range. It's your choice of exercises.
Have you taken TRT?
Of course, I'm on it. For even Donald Trump must be using the oil one.
The TRT?
Vladimir Putin definitely uses it.
Got it.
अभी आप बोल रहे हो हार्ट अटैक्स होती है, ये क्यों हो रही है? Guys take pre-workouts, caffeine. If you're on an androgen, blood pressure is elevated.
What other kinds of performance enhancing drugs or drugs like the TRT that world leaders take?
There's this classification of drug called nootropics.
What is the most difficult, most intimidating person you've met that you've not been able to decipher with all your training?
हमारे पहलवानों, हमारे अखाड़ों में जो ओल्ड स्कूल वो जो उस्ताद थे, लुक एट देम, वो क्लास एक्ट यार, दे
Right.
बट दे कुडंट है, बट है। अब ये जिमिंग कल्चर इज नॉट इट्स काइंड ऑफ करप्टेड दिस एंटायर स्ट्रेंथ कल्चर ऑफ sorts. मेरे ओपिनियन में जिम्स में मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं अलाउ होना चाहिए और औरतों और मर्दों का टाइम अलग होना चाहिए और शीशे नहीं होंगे जी।
What is this unique
नहीं,
philosophy?
दिस इज अ नॉन निगोशिएबल। अब मेरा जिम होगा तो शीशा नहीं होगा, मोबाइल फोन्स डिपॉजिट की जाएगी वहां पर रिसेप्शन पे, वहां पर मेरे बंदे लोग रहेंगे
हाँ.
और नो गर्ल्स अलाउड, बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू फाइट यू गॉट टू कीप योर लंगोट टाइट, राइट?
Sure.
ये है नहीं वो, इफ यू आर इनटू काइंड ऑफ, आई एम बीइंग लिटिल काइंड ऑफ मैसोकिस्टिक एंड ऑल, वो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस नहीं चाहिए, शीशा। We don't want to indulge in narcissism. I am also trying to build a better man. I'm trying to foster qualities. Strength is the mother of all virtues. ये जो दिखते आपके ये सब है, ये सिर्फ दिखते अच्छे हैं, करते कुछ नहीं है, होते नहीं है। मैं यही बोल रहा हूं मैं। तो यू गेटिंग मी? हमारे जो द ओल्ड स्कूल पहलवान, वो दिखते भी अच्छे थे, करते भी अच्छे थे और अच्छे थे, वो संस्कार चली गई है।
So should one not engage in bodybuilding then if it's not?
Bodybuilding is a beauty pageant. It is not a sport. It's a beauty pageant. Is it part of the Olympics?
No.
Why? Because it's a beauty and it's drugs are a occupational hazard. तो लेना ही लेना है। तो कैसे would you want to have your son be part of this toxic culture? I would. I've done it. I'm not going to be a hypocrite. But if I had my son, I would say no. बॉडी बिल्डिंग छोड़ो, पहलवानी करो, वो चरित्र बनाता है। बॉडी बिल्डिंग चरित्र नहीं बनाता है। You're constantly 99 cents. I mean, they're the sickest, most toxic motherfuckers out there. I mean, no morals. अच्छे भी है, ऐसे नहीं, मैं नहीं बोलता, है मुश्किल। It's also, it's a 24-hour sport. Okay? Your diet goes off, but you're too fucking narcissistic. I mean, थोड़ा bloat हुआ, ये 50 बार देखेंगे शीशे में, while they're making out with their girlfriend, so they're not, they're probably looking at more invested in their image.
Yeah.
ये narcissism.
It's like American Psycho.
Okay, ठीक है, अब पता देखी थी मैं, I don't
No,
get that.
it's like people also say that Kanye West will make love to Kanye West because he's so obsessed with himself.
Oh, that's good, but
It's but you tell me then, if they are so narcissistic, why do you?
strength training, Shakti Tolan is powerlifting.
Huh.
Okay, but that is also, now there are differences. First, you got to figure out, now, for a guy like you who wants to put on a reasonable amount of muscle, you're not doing, do you want to be the next thing, the next best thing of slice cake in
No,
Bollywood?
no. I want to be strong.
You got to be strong.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a specific. So you need to train. You don't need to be narcissistic. You don't need to train like bodybuilders indulge in isolation movements.
Isolation छोड़ ही दें.
नहीं, बस आइसोलेशन कर रहा, बट आइसोलेशन से शक्ति नहीं आएगी। शक्ति यहाँ पे, बैक पे, shoulders. Shakti, when a man pushes overhead,
Huh.
when I pick you off the floor, ये पहलवानों में शक्ति होती है.
Correct.
That is a different modality of training, which bodybuilders, they are pumping and posing, yeah, and they're so fucking roided. I'm not taking anything away from them. Sorry,
Mm.
okay. I mean, I'm also been part of and also kind of benefited from the culture. But bodybuilder एक तो strong नहीं होता है. I have seen many big weak men in gyms all around India.
They can be pushed around.
Sorry.
They can be pushed around. They don't have strength.
Now pushed around. No, you're talking about in a fight. That is a different ball game altogether. But yeah, they're not strong. They're not strong.
But they have big muscles.
Yeah, they have big muscles. But it's like a Ferrari with a fucking engine of a Fiat.
Crazy.
All show and no go.
Uh-huh.
A man has to be show. Shakti दिखाओ ना. गाड़ी उठाओ. उठा के दिखा. Don't.
But very simple question, and I'm new to this. Can strength not be correlated to muscle size?
Well, no. Have you seen these Chinese weightlifter, these little girls, the Russian? Now there's a USSR block. Now the guys who kind of wrote the book on strength training, weightlifting were the Russians.
Okay.
It's a saying like train like a Russian. Okay. Why? I mean, they wrote the book. Periodization, drug protocols, how to beat fucking doping programs in the Olympics. The Russians, and it was state sponsored. I mean, you know, there's a documentary on Netflix. There was some time back. So they had it figured out a long time back, as opposed to the West. So all countries around the world, they follow a Russian block training. Like Iran follows a Russian block. Iran has some very good weightlifters. Have you seen it?
I have not.
Oh, some absolute champions.
Hmm.
वो अभी mindset है, वो भी है. अभी वो, you know, either you have it, but yeah, genetically it can. I mean, if you see a guy who's more genetically predisposed towards lifting weights and running a marathon, you know, that's what the Chinese do. They are masters. They go into schools and they pick up, you know, बच्चे लोग जो, and they conduct tests and they develop from them from small, from छोटी age.
So
you can be strong
Mhm.
and you can look like a chuck.
Really?
Yeah. And you can look like Superman, or you can look like, who's the new fucking current sensation? I don't know.
Some do.
That Tiger Shroff is not, he's strong. I mean, he stays with, I've trained with him. He's strong. He can deadlift 500 pounds. Anything.
Huh.
If you can deadlift 500 pounds, roids, no roids, raw, you're strong. Off the floor. You're strong. Your legs are strong. Your back is strong. Your core is strong. You're strong. Then why is the deadlift the only exercise which these fuckers like Eddie Hall, Thor, why do they do that? It's called the deadlift. Either या तो उठेगा या तो नहीं उठेगा, minimum apparatus, and you can literally land yourself in a fucking wheelchair. Slip disc हो तो थोड़ा उधर ऊंच नीच हो गया है. So it is a test for mental fortitude. So, you know, so that is.
I remember Big Show in WWE, right?
Yeah. Okay. Big Show's okay. Yeah.
Relatively big guy, right? But would you consider that to be strength because he barely has any muscle? You know what I mean?
No, I mean there are a lot of guys who are not. They've got muscle, but they've got fat on them.
Huh.
Okay, which are pehlwans are, they've got muscle, but it's covered with layers of fat because वो घी खाते, पराठे खाते. I mean, it's a vegetarian diet. It's a very, you know, sattvic existence. So the nutrition is not right. And the really muscular guys, they've got their nutrition right. They might not be training they might not be strong, but then they're on performance enhancing drugs. I mean, if you can't be super ripped, like shredded. I mean, you can't grate cheese on your abs.
Right.
Oh, I mean, and call yourself natural. I refuse to believe that. It's like, you know.
So how does one train for strength and not aesthetics? Let's just say aesthetics is a byproduct.
So basically, it's a repetition range. It's your choice of exercises. It's more compound movement centric. Squatting, deadlifting, overhead military pressing, tempo pressing. Farmers, strongman training, farmers walk, you know, the yoke, they've got functional applicability, you know. So compound movements and of course isolation movements also. If you thoda bahut wo finishing chahiye, thoda base chahiye, you know, so the right, but it has to be more compound movement centric. And 8-6-4, you have to train to failure. You can't be doing 12, 15, 20, 25. But there are guys who also have development. I've seen them. But who train high reps, but then they are right to the gills.
Got it.
So if you want to be off the juice and you have to be scientific, you have to work hard in the gym. And intensity beats extensity. A lot of people think 40 set kiya, 50 set kiya. You're jerking off. In life, quality matters more than quantity. And even in the weight room. So intensity, because you can't train hard and long. If you're training long, you're not training hard. What grows muscle is intensity. Progressive overload. वापस वही आ रही है. You have to progressively overload the muscles. नहीं तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. No matter whatever juice you're on and how fancy you get, it's not going to grow. So at strength, 8-6-4. 8 reps first. You do a warm up, then you do a prep set, and then the money sets. I call them the money sets. So 8 repetitions. First set might not necessarily be to concentric failure. 6, and then the 4 reps, which is the tendon
On the
zone.
same weight, or do you drop the weight?
No, you increase the weight, brother. Whether you're pyramiding up or you're descending, ascending or descending. See, there are a lot of ways to skin a cat, bro.
Mhm.
I mean, I can't talk to you about my 22 years body or this is something which has to be experienced in a gym,
Got it.
right?
Got it.
We can't. I mean, I can't talk about 22 odd years. You have to. That's why you have to. Right, when you train with me. And, that is when it's most effective.
How long does it take? How long does it take
For
to
what?
So, for example, I
Be
have a goal.
specific.
Okay. Huh.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll tell you my specific picture, right?
Mm.
Strength has become important, but I started for purely vanity, aesthetic purposes because I've never seen my body grow to its full potential. And Aristotle has that quote that it's a disservice to a man if he does not see his body to its full potential, right?
Lovely, yeah.
And I thought it's time to change. My idea was simply to arrive at a body fat percentage.
And Charles Atlas also has a quote which says, "Nobody picks on a strong man."
True that. So my goal is by summer to have abs so that I can have that summer body that most people desire. Now, of course, you can
Fair enough. Okay, cool. Ab cell. If that's your mission statement, fine. But it's not the sine qua non of physical fitness.
Okay.
Or of good health. Abs means less body fat. I mean, I can see my abs
They don't
now.
mean core strength?
No, not necessarily. No, you can have lots of core strength, but until you're not fucking at under 12% body fat, you're not going to, दिखने नहीं वाला है. Hair रहेगा, अंदर tight रहेगा, अरे बस दिखना नहीं, वो toned आगे रहेगी, it'll be covered. So it is abs. You've heard this cliche, right? They're made in the kitchen. It's all nutrition.
It has nothing to do with strength.
हाँ, matter करता है. But core strength देखो squatting से भी मिलेगी. If I teach you how to squat the real way, as to grasp to failure, I mean intra-abdominal, because you are isometrically kind of, it's called, I called it, it's like as if I'm punching you before you start, so isometric contraction of abdominals hai. No, but you also need to train them, kind of, because you want them popping out and you want then you got to train them also. So there are various ways. I mean, you go to do traditional crunches and, reverse crunches, not your hip flexors. So, yeah. But anyway, abs matlab, a certain appreciable amount of muscle mass, which is desirable. Now, what is desirable to you? Whatever, you've got to figure that out. I mean, I don't like that. I've got beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So, but yeah, so you got to train. What I say, yeah. So you got to fucking diet. So, fuck everything else. You got to figure out the right diet for yourself. Abhi diet kya karega? North Indian. You're fond of fucking butter chicken and
I just eat chicken and veggies and some fruit. That's it.
Fine,
That's all I eat.
Diet socio-culturally made it has to be a habit. It can't be a diet. You have to do it. You should be able to do it for 1 year.
I've done it for 2.
Right? That means so you pretty much figure it out.
But हाँ, मेरा मन करता है to eat like my ancestors, but I don't move like my ancestors. There's a whole,
No, you got to plan your indulgences, and you got to know beyond a point what works for you. How old are you now?
29.
You're still young. You're not hit andropause.
What's andropause?
Andropause is the male equivalent of menopause. Yeah.
क्या होता है उसमें?
Your testosterone levels plummet. So there's a beautiful book again. I give it to you. It's called what's it called? It's again Donnie Yates recommended one, and I got it fast. It's called The Ageless Man by this one French endocrinologist. He says you can correct all metabolic diseases in a man, diabetes starting, if you have the testosterone levels correct, which is high, 600 nanograms per deciliter and above. That's it. That's the premise of the book.
What do we think about TRT?
I'm for it.
Yeah. Tell me more. I'm sure.
What do you want to know about TRT?
So मुझे
I
ऐसा
mean,
लगता है-
TRT is this is a fairly kind of new. This is part of interventional endocrinology.
Mhm.
Okay, our endocrinologists are not properly there. I mean, अभी तक समझ में नहीं आता है, और जो समझ में नहीं आता है बुरा है. बराबर?
Correct.
What I don't
correct.
understand means bad.
Right.
That's the medical. They are a little conservative, but interventional endocrinologists, New Delhi has some very good ones. Mumbai has one. They are very well acquainted with TRT. What is TRT essentially? Now it is what? What are you doing? First, you have to be a candidate for TRT. What does that mean? Which means your blood work comes out, your testosterone, your total testosterone has to be kind of low.
300 से नीचे.
Yeah, I mean, like, after following a good lifestyle, and agar it's low, where you're feeling sluggish, and that's when you are a candidate. Okay, prima facie.
Is fitness level important? क्योंकि कई लोग बहुत obese या मोटे या diabetic हैं.
Yeah.
उनको और भी कोई ऐसे illnesses हैं, तो वो
that does affect your testosterone levels. Yeah, yes.
Okay, so
yeah, diabetes, that affects estrogen levels because that's converted to estrogen. So estrogen levels go up, and then testosterone levels. So let's say the game of hormones is like a game of pool. This is biochemistry 101. I'm not an absolute expert.
Sure.
I've got a lot of trial and error. और देखो सुनो, इसमें एक बहुत important चीज है विनम्र. तू खुद लेता है, तू खुद नहीं लेता तो तू ज्ञान किसी और को कैसे दे सकता है? बता मेरे को. मोंजारो खुद लिया है, टेस्टोस्टेरोन खुद लिया है, ट्रेनबोलोन खुद लिया है, नहीं लिया है, पढ़ा हूं मैं. I don't believe in being an armchair academic. First, I'll test myself. I don't want to make my VVIP client a guinea pig.
Right.
So let's get real here. खुद जब तक खुद बंदा लेता नहीं है.
Have you taken TRT?
Of course. I'm on it.
Yeah, tell me about it.
So it's what? It's just 250 mg. अभी देखो हिंदुस्तान में it is not criminal per se, right? Schedule H में भी आता है नहीं आता. You can go and buy it. You can buy things. You don't have to go to the bootlegger. You can buy it like off the chemist, pharmacy. And of course, then comes how do you inject it? Okay.
Is it like the EpiPen? Is it in the
अभी
blood
नहीं,
vessels?
वो जो एपीपेन और आप जो बोल रहे हो वो सेमाग्लूटाइड्स की आती है. जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन आती है, they are oil based fucking injections.
Crazy.
तो लो, कांच को तोड़ो, अभी खींचने के लिए अलग सुई और मारने के लिए अभी, और मारेगा किधर?
कहाँ?
अभी मेरे तो डेवलपमेंट इधर है, मैं तो मांस की दुकान हूँ, ये तो ग्लूटियस में मारेंगे, और दर्द होता है. हाँ होता है. Oil based injections are painful. I mean, so if you're needle phobic, I wouldn't really. Then we recommend the slightly more expensive version, which is the subcutaneous, the Amir Adli version.
Oh, the
But the
skin
price
level,
goes up
skin
and everything
deep.
goes up. So so give you the option.
Crazy. You do the oil one.
Yeah, I mean everybody does the oil one. Even For you might have been Donald Trump must be using the oil one.
The TRT.
Yeah, Fidel Castro used to use it. I mean, Vladimir Putin definitely uses it.
Acha, isse,
Yeah, so
what does it do? So when you are on TRT, your
I'm
testosterone.
44, Vinamre. You're
Uh,
29.
uh,
Okay, I'm 1982 born. So technically, I am kind of, but my testosterone levels are like a, what 27-year-old.
sure.
Yeah, I mean,
So, but compared to your other peers, right? What is it that you have in you that is different?
yeah, you're strong.
Huh?
Now, come on, let's get real. Sexual health is a big concern for men all around the world, right?
Correct.
So Big Jimmy and the twins kind of, they operate with efficiency. I'm not diabetic. My blood pressure is normal. I'm not diabetic. I've got genetic predisposition. I've still got my hair. Do I have? I mean, तो इसमें DHT conversion minimum है. You have to be realistic and not get carried away with the dose.
Hmm.
TRT means 250 mg. Anything above 250, 500, that's bodybuilding. That's super physiological dose.
Got it.
और ये जितने भी है, ये जो अभी आप बोल रहे हो हार्ट अटैक्स होती है, ये क्यों हो रही है? Any idea?
I don't know.
I mean, there was one top of the pop, one guy, one gentleman called Kuman who expired. I mean, he used to train. I've trained with him.
Okay.
He was a really large, big guy who was 140 kgs and he expired, right? Heart attacks. Why are heart attacks happening? Heart attacks are happening is because blood pressure is not controlled. Blood pressure being, I mean, a silent killer. So you're training, and then a lot of you see guys take pre-workouts, caffeine, and then if you're on an androgen, blood pressure is elevated. So it is ulti ginti.
With TRT.
Not with TRT, with bodybuilding doses. TRT nahi.
So this is a threshold dose.
TRT mein you should, provided you don't have, you're screened for pre-existing anomalies.
Hmm.
You don't have a prostate problem. Your DHT levels are good. Your prolactin sex related erection ED, enforcement directorate erectile dysfunction. The two things the man you're laughing, right? So wo prolactin. क्यों हंस रहा था? God, I'm laughing.
This is like the 60-year-old Indian businessman's biggest.
So ED,
Problems.
erectile dysfunction, and enforcement directorate. I can deal with the, I don't know, enforcement directorate. I don't make that kind of money. So, but erectile dysfunction is very easily preventable.
TRT fixes that.
That fixes it, yeah.
Wait.
Kind of, yeah. I mean, but then TRT chalu hoti hai, then you got to screen. It doesn't get over that. So, you have to do this under somebody who's done it.
Hmm. Got it.
And you have to know, because अगर कुछ हुआ तो 100 number किसको phone करूँ यार? I'm getting a headache, my nipples itching. I mean, things can, so it has to be done.
Where do they extract this testosterone from?
It's synthetically made in a laboratory.
It's synthetically made.
Yeah. Testosterone is the it's the sine qua non of masculinity.
Okay.
It's what makes a man, right?
Sure.
You know that. Now, what do I say? So yeah, whatever's available now. There are testosterone analogs in, like, there are different esters. There's a long-acting ester, a very long-acting ester, which is an undecanoate ester. So you take that if you're traveling for 10 weeks, 16 weeks.
What if you come off it? What happens? Immediately your levels go down?
Okay, now if you come off it, because abhi gaadi mein petrol ja rahi hai, and suddenly there's no fuel.
Sure.
What's going to happen? So then that's when you if you want to get off the testosterone, there is a cycle of HPTA regeneration drugs called HCG, human chronic gonadotropin, which is essentially a female hormone secreted by the female placenta. It has the opposite function in a man. Okay, it's taken 2000 IU subcutaneous every other day with a fertility drug called Fertomid, clomiphene citrate, and an anti-estrogen, because you can have, surpluses. So basically क्या होता है? Testicles आपके हड़वे को मार. जंपर केबल्स, मतलब गाड़ी की बैटरी अभी बंद हो गई है, अभी जंपर केबल लगाते हो, फट करके जो चलूंगा तो HCG, ये जो HPTA है, ये जो प्रोग्राम है, अभी डिफरेंट गाइज हैव डिफरेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स.
Yeah.
ओके, अभी नो वो
In
है.
your protocol, have you noticed any side effects?
Yeah, there have been cases of gynecomastia
Oh, the tits.
because they have not adhered to the proper protocol. तीनों ड्रग साथ में की जाती है. एक 21 दिन में उड़ता है, एक 45 दिन में उड़ता है और एक 60 दिन में उड़ता है.
Mhm.
यू गेट इट? एक मिसाइल, पहले ये जाएगा, पहले वो जाएगा. अभी तू दोनों छोड़ देगा तो वे फिर वो हॉरर एक्सपीरियंस.
Yeah. Have your friends or families or clients' lives changed after using TRT?
Yeah.
Do they report more? Because I can imagine what you told
No,
about,
no,
like,
changed as in they, that becomes the existence of their life because they're looking good and they're feeling good and they ought to be in Hollywood, right? So I mean that nothing matters more. Rolls Royce तो खरीदना पड़ता है, Gulfstream तो खरीदना पड़ता है. You know, either you have to go and make body की जो है ना, वो अलग नशा है. वो जब वो करता है ना तो आदमी वो डिफरेंट लेवल पे जाता है. एंड आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस विद सम, आई कैन नॉट नेम बिकॉज आई एम अंडर नॉन डिस्क्लोजर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स विद Amre.
sure.
आई एम ट्रेनिंग सम, यू नो, द अपर एक्लिन ऑफ बॉलीवुड रॉयल्टी, सो आई कैन नॉट से. बट हाँ, आई हैव डिलीवर्ड. द रीजन व्हाई दे लिसन टू मी इज बिकॉज मैंने खुद पे किया है,
Mhm.
मैंने दूसरों पे भी करवाया है, इन ऑल स्पेयर्स.
Hmm.
बॉलीवुड में, गवर्नमेंट में, एथलीट्स में, एंड आई हैव गॉट a decent track record. I know what I'm doing, and I'm not greedy. I don't kind of make compromises in people's health for the sake of.
I think that's a very smart thing because agar मैं एक world leader हूँ, you're talking about Putin, right? And I become senile and I'm leading a country and I'm in my 70s or 60s. If with the testosterone level of a man at that 60 or 70, I cannot possibly take.
Can you run a country?
नहीं ना.
So Fidel Castro was the best example.
But in TRT in that time,
अरे था यार. Fidel Castro was Cuban, the best intelligence. I mean, the Cuban DTS, Russians, the Cuban boxers. Cuba was, and Fidel Castro, I mean, look him up. He was way ahead of his times. ऐसा कोई भी world leader नहीं है of consequence जो, it's also called the charisma hormone. Okay? Yeah.
what else do you think? What other kinds of performance enhancing drugs or drugs like the TRT that world leaders take that most people don't know about?
Oh, there's classification of drug called nootropics.
I know the brain drugs, right?
Yes, because you start thinking, अभी तो भाषण दे रहा है, and you need to think clearly, and you need to be more creative, and it's beautiful. I mean, it works. So you have modafinil, but that can be abused.
Yeah, so I follow a lot of these biohackers. I've done Adderall, which is not that good, by the way.
Adderall is a prescription drug. You can't buy it.
No, I got it in America when I was in America from a friend who had a prescription.
That's for ADHD kind of.
ADHD.
Yeah.
But I know friends who've done Modelot, which is like modafinil.
Modafinil, yeah.
Nowadays, what they're advocating is our modafinil, the stronger version, along with bromantine.
Bromantine or bromocriptine, you mean?
Bromantine is something that Sam Altman came on a podcast and talked about, and there's a bunch of biohackers can focus for 20 hours. I'm really considering doing nootropics, but the only ones you can get here are alpha GPC.
No, nootropics available over the counter. Like you go down now here, यहाँ पर Banter Medical में मोड़ा अलर्ट मिलेगी 100 mg में, 200 mg में, और बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के मिल जाएगी आपको. हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद. बट ये ऑफेंस नहीं होती है. अमेरिका में ये क्रिमिनल लेजिस्लेशन में एक तरह की आती है.
करेक्ट.
They have an anabolic steroid act.
Okay.
I mean यूरोप में नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर नहीं है. फिर और इतनी हैबिट फॉर्मिंग नहीं है. तो मोडाफिनिल है और वाक अलर्ट है, which is amordafinil, a slightly more purer form of.
Right. Or modafinil.
Yeah. फिर Ritalin और ये सब है, but वो तो सब these are, I mean, you know, triple prescriptions.
Have you tried the modafinils?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. For what? For focus.
Focus.
And
I mean, I go to work. If I'm up, I'm training.
Mm-hmm.
Then I've got to fly to catch.
Mm-hmm.
तो 36, 12, 16, 18, 20, 21 घंटे करना है. तो शूटिंग पे जाना है. शॉट देना है वो, देन तो लेना पड़ता है यार. अभी नॉट अ कोकेन,
Sure.
वो सब में तो हम वो हमारी फिलोसफी नहीं है.
What's your stack?
Depending what is the requirement for the hour.
So you've got a different stack for every single day.
Depending, abhi, if I want to lift 300 kgs,
Huh.
then I use the good old ephedrine,
Ephedrine.
which is a raw ingredient to a precursor drug to amphetamines also.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Ephedrine.
Ephedrine,
Okay.
जो NDPS में आता है actually,
Acha.
but छोटी संख्या में,
Okay.
but फटका पड़ता है.
Okay.
Because strength is essentially a CNS game.
Central nervous system.
Yeah.
So a central nervous system under attack, as in like fight or flight, or parasympathetic. Like what is the ideal like?
I wouldn't be able to, I don't know, I would say that, but it is, yeah, fight or flight. Yeah, fight.
It does feel like that.
Fight.
Yeah.
गुस्सा आता है,
हाँ.
उठता है वेट, सब करते हैं, होता है ये प्रैक्टिकली हो रहा है ये.
What else? Omega 3s?
हमें नहीं ओमेगा 3 देता है, चक्के ओमेगा 3 दे, प्रोटीन तो. See, I don't believe in taking too much to cinema,
Yeah.
And
What I'm asking, what do you take?
what in terms of prescription, whatever, in terms of what, like I said, abhi training ke day, on training days,
Yeah.
if I have to do big lifts,
Mhm.
I have to be jacked up on some kind of like a nootropic.
A nootropic.
Yes.
Okay. Not a
I have to
steroid.
train people,
Huh.
and then I'm training 2-3 people, and then I'm driving, traffic.
Mhm.
I need to be fucking focused traffic. The गाड़ी ठोक दूंगा मैं, इधर तो नींद नहीं है. So nootropic से काम हो जाता है, but then you can lead to adrenal fatigue and adrenal burnout. So you got to be careful. So you got to go on it and then go fucking cold turkey off it for a while.
I see.
And then crash hai, and then you're like an asthmatic tortoise. Slow motion. यहाँ से उठने वापस जाने में वो 10 सेकंड, 1 मिनट
Does
लगेगा.
it impact sleep?
Yeah.
So do you sleep
Initially
less?
sleep नहीं मिलेगी ना.
Huh.
Initially sleep, or then you take a drug for a drug. So this is you become Elvis Presley, Michael Jackson of sorts.
Crazy.
So sleep is a very important thing. Even I suffer from sleep.
Do you have sleep apnea? What do you do?
No, I don't have sleep apnea.
Uh-huh.
See, I'm a type A personality. I'm ideating,
Uh-huh.
and then I use because I lift heavy.
Mhm.
I like training heavy. That's my philosophy. I'm
Hmm.
a power junkie.
Hmm.
उसके लिए मेरे को कैफीन वैफीन लेने पड़ती है. कैफीन इज स्टिमुलेंट, उसकी वजह से वो होती है, थोड़ी इंसोम्निया होती है. It's normal. It's an occupational hazard.
Can you rest?
You can rest, yeah. I mean,
No, can you rest? Can you take some days off and rest?
yeah, of course, yeah. I'm not a junkie.
No, I mean like from all the stimulants, like you get all this. You said you have to cycle it out.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah. I'm not on them every day.
Hmm.
It's before a back day, deadlift day, a squat day.
Hmm.
You take it. Otherwise, you don't take it for training shoulders.
We were talking about you getting here and reconning my place, right?
It's a new office, new place, bro. I don't know where the fuck I'm coming. कहाँ पर बड़े माला में तो क्या है? You might, kind
नहीं,
of
but
pick me up and do some BDSM fucking gig. So I don't know. I mean, I'm paranoid. I'm a professional paranoid, man. You know that.
but you work with policemen, right? I'm just asking you.
I work with policemen, with intelligence operatives, hookers. I work with everyone. Whoever pays me. I don't give a fuck.
Which begs the question: ki, what is something that an average citizen can pick from the way the police looks at situations?
Oh, looks at situations. What exactly do you mean by you're talking about
I enter a room.
grassroots defenders?
Correct.
एक तो पुलिस वाले, मैं पुलिस वाला हूँ. मैं
हाँ.
शक पर शक करता हूँ मैं.
You mistrust intentions.
Everything is looked at through the prism of nothing is looked at for what it is. People, this is true, are never what they seem to be,
Hmm.
So shak par shak until established. So I mean, in a confrontation on the, if you're a beat cop,
Mhm.
Mumbai is a safe place. At New Delhi, I don't know, but like in rough hoods,
Mhm.
जिसका हाथ खाली वो मवाली.
Hmm.
The old saying, So look at the hands. वो पैर से थोड़ी मारेगा.
Hmm.
और फाइट पर nobody fights, हथियार निकलते हैं. पहले भी मैंने आपकी पॉडकास्ट में बोला ये. So policemen are trained in psychoneurolinguistics. They eyeball you. The only two kind of people who kind of eyeball you are expert criminals and cops. Okay?
So when you say eyeball, they're looking you up and down?
But the eyes are the windows to the soul, right?
Sure.
तो उससे मालूम पड़ जाएगा. Very few people who who are not going to succumb to the manifestations of Pinocchio syndrome.
Hmm.
And
Which is to look at the nose.
exactly, precisely. तो both है, you can't poker face and you पता नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा
But
क्या है.
very few people actually look in the eyes, right? Because it's
So immigration में क्या होता है? आप
huh.
कभी immigration में you've got
Yeah.
they eyeball you. Remove your glasses, please. Son, and they
Right. I thought it's for the camera.
Okay, for camera के लिए भी है.
Huh.
But they want to know whether you're lying.
Ah.
ये fake नकली passport है, ये है in London. I mean, in any kind of, they're trained, यार. I mean, that's.
So the first thing is eyeballing, looking directly in the eyes.
I look at the shoes. I begin from down
Hmm.
because people lie with their legs. See, tension. Yes.
Hmm.
And shoes also speak about a man.
What if they could be doing something deliberately? Because lots of people have read books on body language.
Yeah,
so they
can.
So they
but,
say ki I'm going to sit in an open stance. I'm here to receive. I'm like very comfortable, but I could be plotting something against you.
Of course.
But you're just saying that's one of the ways to do it.
That caliber of criminal doesn't really come every day. And then he's a superstar. So then you're fucked.
Hmm.
So I mean, plotting against you, yeah. So I mean, that's why in violent encounters for jail staff and in Johannesburg, the rape capital of the world and all,
Right.
they पहले हाथ देखो because and हाथ ऊपर and eyes.
Hmm.
The minute he's got over 2 shots, दो छाती में or whatever, not to kill or whatever, or you taser them.
Mhm.
That's different kind of police units have different SOPs. But what does it come down to? Eventually, it comes down to a fucking man-to-man fucking wrestle, and so ye pakada.
Mhm.
And civilians, this is me, people who don't know how to fight, what do? They pull hair, they bite,
Hmm.
they scratch. Nobody hits, and you're not even supposed to use your knuckles and hitting because you could hit and you can get HIV and get cut. There are a lot of
What?
अरे अभी उसको if there's a गोजुरु कराटे में जैसे कि हार्ड सरफेस पे सॉफ्ट के साथ मारो. तो अभी हार्ड के आपका ये है ना.
Correct. Nose.
ये ऐसे मारूंगा मैं.
Huh.
ऐसे नहीं मारूंगा. यहाँ पर ये मेरा है.
Correct.
तो हाँ. और सॉफ्ट सरफेस में कौन सा था ना, उससे मैं हार्ड के साथ मारूंगा. ये गोजुरु कराटे की कोई एक हद तक की एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. गोजुरु कराटे, it's a Japanese kind of karate which is hard style. Karate is usually sports karate. It's taught in hajime, but that's not how fights happen. There's no referee and this thing. तो ये है. So कैसे मारोगे? अभी सब लोग gloves नहीं पहन रहे हो. You're not ready for a fight. तो अपना mouth guard डालता था because so again if you hit somebody, you can get transmission of hepatitis, HIV. These are very real concern, yaar.
Yeah, you told me a long time ago one of your friends was running on Juhu Beach and he got hepatitis A from
a fucking syringe.
Yeah. Ever since I think Juhu Beach has been nicer.
I mean, the beaches is where a lot of shit goes down.
I had a para SF guy on my podcast a long time ago, and we were sitting in my studio, and we went outside. I said, if you were to sort of understand what are the vantage points from which you could be attacked, what would you do? It's like a switch turned on, and we saw a ghost. And the way he moved from wall to wall, flank, left, मैं हिल गया देख के.
This is the 9 para commandos, right?
I don't know which one.
It's usually the 9th brigade. Now, they're world class. Come on, yeah. They follow a different SOP. You can't compare them to the police also.
No, of course. I'm just saying.
There's no comparison. They're world class.
Huh.
Especially the Paragon.
What is the most difficult, most intimidating person you've met that you've not been able to decipher with all your training?
I haven't met anybody. Well, I mean, a couple of people I've met. So, I mean, see, whenever I go abroad, I go to nightclubs The nightclub security is a different specialty of security. It's a subspecialty. Uh, at the strip bars, and so वहाँ की security को देखने के लिए मैं जाता था Russia in Moscow,
To
in Amsterdam.
not to go inside, but to watch
No,
the security
I
guards.
had to go inside.
Huh.
I had to go inside. I had to be a customer inside the club. If I wanted to, I just wanted to see. I wanted to be a innocent bystander. I didn't go there to dance and drink and meet a chick. I went there to fucking see the security apparatus as to how it is designed. So the most efficient, the best guy, the cooler, he's called, is at the entrance. Swagat karta hai. And he greets everybody like a VIP. And he is the shot caller. Okay, this is the one. This is the about Siberian. Those guys were, because they've seen a lot of shit go down. You can tell when a man has, so he greets everybody like a VIP, irrespective of whether you're spending money. You could be there's no distinguishing in guests. You greet everybody like a VIP, and you're very courteous to everybody because you don't know you're 5 seconds away from a shooting spree. That's the way you got to treat. That is the mentality as to. This has been told to me by a Siberian bouncer in Moscow.
Wow. And how are they able to tell कि कौन लोग chill हैं और कौन लोग नहीं हैं? Because
that is what you call experience. Like हमारे पुलिस स्टेशन में भी होता है, चाल के देख के बोलेगा कि ये चमड़ी केस में है, ये अभी नशे के केस में, तो आ जाता है, you get it. That is why these people have the most amount of human transaction, are very good judges in human character.
It's almost like if you want to hire a chief operating officer, you should hire a bouncer.
Well, yeah, and because a bouncer over there, more so because it's face policy. Who do I let in?
Right.
यहाँ पर तो अरे इसकी पहचान है, वहां पर फोन आएगी, इधर आएगा, तो it's but वहां पे it is completely at the discretion on the guy on the door who's managing the door. You get in, you don't get in. Why don't I get in? And one little kid who's a fucking smackhead who's mad and then could come back with a gun and do some crazy shit. So, and the bouncers don't call 911. They call bouncers. So that's the code. So they've been, so they're real. Then they can fight.
Who are the most interesting operatives, bouncers, security guys you've met in the world that you really learned something from?
Well, this actually, I mean, Russia, which is a hard place. I met some interesting, but they didn't speak very good English, so I couldn't really, But London. So London is where, I mean, because of football, hooliganism.
Knife crime.
Yeah. Knife crime, one of the highest in knife crime. And, if you're faced with a person with a knife, that's even more dangerous than with a firearm.
Why's that?
Because you're going to fucking bleed to death if he knows how to use the knife. And where do they learn how to use a knife? In prison. Crime school. Yeah.
Crime school.
Yeah. The best things of life, the prisons teach you. So they've all learned because they've been there in a maximum security which is a hyper masculine environment. If fucking guys going to rape you, this shit, You're going to have your shank. You learn. You're going to learn. So you learn fucking these things.
Have you talked to some of these guys that have gone to prisons?
Yeah, kind of. I mean, yeah.
Not too much. Yeah. I'm just trying to understand this
they
environment.
they don't interact with you. They're not going to kind of broadcast it. But yeah, they have. So, depending which part of the world, prisons in America, hotels, a prison, Tihar and Arthur Road and all is a different kind of, it's hell. But it's prison, right? Like over here, these Nigerian boys are a hard bunch. Nobody messes with them. Nobody messes with these guys. They're all the drug kind of guys. They're big boys and they can fight. They fight. They've got muscle. They're big.
I mean, in the Indian jails.
Yeah, जितने भी भरे पड़े हैं ना ये.
Crazy.
तिहाड़ में भी है यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर is the Nigerians. Nigerians are big guys, and their propensity for violence, and then also, and they're also juiced, and there's no fear. They don't have fear. Yeah, they fight back. They hit the police. they bite and they're quite a vicious. Yeah, so the black boys, Nigerian, this is by told to me by a lot of my policemen.
What an interesting set of conversations we've been. I started with bodybuilding. We're talking about juiced up Nigerians in prison. I want to ask you, what are you reading nowadays, if you are?
What am I reading, bro? A book on a Murderland.
Okay.
So the top of the pops, right from Ted Bundy to all the serial killers,
Uh-huh.
their modus operandi as to how they orchestrate their crimes, how they choose their victims, सब लिखा है उसमें. But that doesn't mean this is my.
But you generally seem to be interested in security,
Yeah, I've
investigation.
got that also. I mean, then I continue. I read a lot of things. Then of course, Stoic philosophy. वो Royal Holiday की थी ना. That's
Yeah, consistent. Do you think Stoicism is a slightly out of sync with our times now?
नहीं है अच्छा है यार. Why adorn yourself with simplicity and modesty, Marco Aurelius?
No, I think that there is a need for men to also have pleasure in their lives. I think it's all pain.
नहीं, pleasure is but too much pleasure, Vinamre. What do you mean pleasure in their life? Pleasure leads to
Moj.
hedonism. What is pleasure? Opulence. What is this? There is no cultures that are not. This is no. This I'm saying. पेरेंटिंग मेंटर्स ये सब चीजें ये नरम आदमी को ये प्लेजर ही कर देता है. ठंडे पानी के साथ नहा बेटा, लिफ्ट मत यूज कर, चल के आ बेटा. गाड़ी का तो हम नहीं बॉयज कैन मेक दैट टायर. कर गाड़ी फंसेगी, मैकेनिक को बुलाएगा कर.
I do the cold plunge, I do the sauna. I'm asking irrespective. I think that this style of a man is finding less and less traction amongst younger people, younger men. Stoicism is going out of vogue. It's a philosophy of the 20th
पता
century.
नहीं, मैं करता हूँ. I try and read it. I like it. Is my I find it appealing to my but whatever fucking cracks your chain here. In the end, just win. कैसे किया, fair means, unfair means, who gives a fuck? Do it, get it done, and win.
I want to ask you about PEDs. What are the most prominent PEDs that you see, especially actors using nowadays?
Oh, well, PEDs. Now, of course, again, the PEDs are customized. There's a bespoke. Everything is bespoke. You can't be. I mean, there are a lot of PEDs. A lot. I mean, it's like alcohol. You have a liqueur. You have different kind
cocktails,
of PEDs. Both are. But essentially, PEDs are testosterone, mother, father, not testosterone derivative, and then DHT, which is one child, and then another sub analog or also available. So these are the broad family of steroids. Most steroids are testosterone and its derivatives. Most steroids are not testosterone and its derivatives. And DHT and its derivatives.
What about Dynabol, Tren, and
Dynabol is an oral steroid, which is essentially, again, it's a testosterone classification. It's the analogs, this thing. This is, you need to, I mean, this is biochemistry, thoda hai. But yeah, but it's an oral steroid made very popular with by who's the guy who Ziegler, Breakfast for Champions. He invented it.
Sure. I remember.
And it's toxic. And in fact, Indian pharmaceuticals make some of the greatest, stuff. I mean, great. I don't know why, Mexico and all are looked at as heavens to go and shop for Thailand, but India is superb. So you get everything here. I mean, you get over the counter, not bootlegger. The problem, Vinamre, is spurious parallel industries set up which boys, pharmacists, no aseptic conditions बन रहा है घर में. Bottling हो रहा है, दे रहा है. Kind of pixels, no bottle किया दिया. You fucking inject that, you get an abscess.
Oh shit.
Yeah, most of them are underdosed. या तो इसमें तो कुछ है भी नहीं. Benzoyl, alcohol, तो castor oil, तो यही मार रहा है. Get me? So it is frightening.
Why are they making it at home so they can make it?
Because there's a lot of money in it.
Acha, so if I make a homemade steroid and I give it to some guy who needs it, I end
You
up.
procure the raw materials from China or whatever, or from whatever. Set up a plant in Solan or in whatever, and you make it. You need a pharmacist, and then you need a couple of this. Chromatography machines and all hai, or you can make it. You can get the technical help,
Hmm.
and then you got to bottle it, and then voila, it goes to distribution.
You were talking about the Sinaloa cartel and anabolic steroids.
Yes. So the Mexican drug cartels are into human smuggling and then steroids. It's a big money spinner. And you see, steroids, the dogs, especially if they are ampules, dogs can't smell. So अगर आप हैंड कैरी से वहां पर वो स्मगलिंग जो होती है वेस्टर्न यूरोप में, यहाँ पर क्रिमिनल नहीं है. आई कैन डू व्हाटएवर द फक आई वांट विद माय हेल्थ.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm not selling it. I'm not kind of doctor नहीं है, मैं नहीं है, मैं getting me? So there's nothing criminal. The FDA violations, Drugs and Cosmetics Act. But for me personally, yeah, so it's not a crime here. You don't understand that. But अगर कुछ किसी को कुछ हो गया, फिर 328 धारा IPC
Hmm.
लग सकती है. That is subject to the discretion of the police. You have to prove it. So yeah, there have been horror stories. There are, and the problem is that there is a psychological dependence. There is no man that I've come across who does one or two isolated cycles and goes home,
It's an addiction.
because if once you're used to being Superman, why would you be Clark?
What's the correlation between that and erectile dysfunction?
Erectile dysfunction is essentially a not testosterone, like I said, prolactin induced problem. Prolactin is one of the female hormones, estrogen, prolactin.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is something, again, endocrinology lesson I can't really kind of explain to you. It's where I've got a lot of experience in this, because blood test किए, अब मैं हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट से जाके बात किया है, मिला है, तो वैसे नॉलेज इकट्ठा करती है, देन you read, you do on yourself. So yeah, तो blood test में, that's why I said, you have to do a therapeutic phlebotomy. आपको रक्तदान करना पड़ता है. वो स्लजिंग होती है, खून मोटी होती है, TRT पे. तो ये सब ख्याल, दिस इज नॉट, यू ऐसे नहीं कि ले लिया, लेते हैं लोग,
Mm-hmm.
but you have to be monitored. Your lipids panel, you have to be monitored for fucking coronary kind of risk factors. ऐसे नहीं कि, and then, like I said, deep vein thrombosis, ये एक है. एंड अगर स्लजिंग, आप ऐसे बहुत लड़के लोग हैं जो they keep taking it, and the skin becomes, the blood becomes thick, the viscosity kind of, and that leads to it's called polycythemia.
Damn, man.
It's happened to me.
Intense.
Yeah. What do you do? You go and raktadan. But simple as that. It's called blood dumping. You go to, but of course, a hematologist needs to go and fucking. So this is not, this is ये कोई माँ के पेड़ में से आके इसको सीखने, और कोई है नहीं यहाँ पे ऐसे one stop Supreme Court जो आपको है. This is his philosophy, but ये कुछ नहीं है. But you gotta do it to know what the fuck
Have you been able to convince your dad to work out? Has that worked?
he does work out. Yeah, he does work out. But he's into Pilates, and but he can do a deep knee bend squat, and he's 76 years old. He's healthy. He's very fit.
How to convince him? I'm trying to convince my dad, but it's been very hard so far.
ED, Enforcement Directorate या erectile dysfunction, दोनों में से choose करो कौन से. That's it. That's the only. I mean, I'm just joking, but they have to be able to want to do it themselves.
Mhm.
No, you can't convince anybody. करना है, it has to be within. You got to be real with them, and you got to decide what is the discipline for them.
It's not always going to the gym for some people.
No, you can go out. You can walk 8 kilometers. Yeah, you can do Parker. There are various modalities. You want to work out in a group, what a based fitness, जो भी है. You want to cycle. Everything works, but everything works up to a point, and then it stops working. So then you got to figure out. So that's why you come to fuckers like me, is because, right, I have lived the life. So yeah, sure, you can go. How do you go home? So I'll take you straight home. या तो इधर हो करके. So that's it. So that's why find a guy, find the right coach, bro. Find the right coach.
Oh, one last question before we
Yeah.
end. Two actually. What is it like training HNIs? How are they different than
Sorry, H.
HNIs, high net worth individuals?
Oh, okay. It's riding the proverbial tiger. Okay. Yeah, essentially is that. Now the money is inconsequential.
Mm-hmm.
But then you gotta be efficient. It has to be world class. Why do you buy a Rolls Royce? If you consider yourself the Rolls Royce of personal trainers, the equivalent, you should be giving that kind of service,
Sure.
right?
Hmm.
Like it's like Harish Salve, he's a genius lawyer. Why does he get paid that much? It's because he's this different. Why Bereto law pay? I mean, here. So the same thing with personal high net worth individuals are a lot of idiosyncrasies, but then most of them are very motivated because otherwise they wouldn't have got there where they were. At least the self-made ones. तो मेहनत करते हैं. So you be real with them. You tell them precisely, not too much information, no small talk. Don't outdress them.
Don't outdress them?
Don't outdress the boss.
Really?
वो
It's like
important है.
Robert Greene, don't outshine the master.
I mean, see, insecurity सब में होती है ना. See, gym में you can't buy. I mean, health. You got to go out and work there. You got to do it yourself. It takes time. So you got to be patient. You got to, I said, find the right guy or जो जिसका जमना चाहिए high net worth. I would get along with I don't know, take a name. I mean, I don't know. I don't know.
Some obnoxious person who's like new money.
No, I'm very good with obnoxious people. I'm very patient. I'm malleable. I'm adaptable. And I understand human nature, and yeah, so I'm good with the obnoxious people. Are not obnoxious, in fact, are not
Say more.
obnoxious. Yeah, they're not. It's just these epitomes of congeniality and all this fucking shit they put on facades that actually turned out to be the motherfuckers that posted. जरा check bounce हो गया. घूम फिर के तो पैसे मिलने चाहिए ना. I don't do extortion. So, I mean,
very interesting. Yeah. Because mostly people often disregard some HNIs and rich people as being obnoxious and having those idiosyncrasies, but actually they're being real.
और फिर पैसे भी नहीं मिलेंगे. फिर क्या मतलब है? Then,
All right, Rahul, it's Valentine's Day. I want to let you go. What's something you want to say to my audience?
Do things that make you stronger. Be positive. It's a chaotic world. Be strong. And because only the strong will survive. So be strong. Take care of your health. Be good. Be respectful. Be good to your elders. And life goes on. That's it.
Amazing. People can follow you on Rahul but Uncensored on Instagram. It's been a very interesting time again. I'm glad we did this.
Thanks, Vinamra. Thank you. Thank you as always for
Cheers.
having me.
Thank you.
Thanks, bro.